The digestive system and the gut-brain connection. The human body is a marvel of biological engineering, and among its most fascinating systems is the digestive system. It doesn't just fuel us with nutrients but plays a vital role in overall health, even influencing our brain and emotions through the gut-brain axis. This connection is central to understanding how our body and mind interact. Let's dive into the intricate workings of the digestive system and explore the remarkable interplay between the gut and brain. The digestive system, a complex machinery. The digestive system is a long, interconnected tube running from the mouth to the anus, working in concert with various organs to break down food into nutrients, absorb them, and eliminate waste. It includes the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and accessory organs like the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. Here's how it works step by step. 1. Mouth and salivary glands. Digestion begins in the mouth, where mechanical breakdown occurs through chewing. Saliva, secreted by the salivary glands, contains enzymes like amylase and lipase that start breaking down carbohydrates and fats. This creates a bolus, chewed food, for easier swallowing. 2. Esophagus and peristalsis. The bolus travels down the esophagus, aided by rhythmic muscle contractions called peristalsis. This involuntary motion pushes food to the stomach. 3. Stomach. A chemical reactor. The stomach's muscular walls churn food, mixing it with gastric juices containing hydrochloric acid and enzymes like pepsin. This acidic environment breaks proteins into smaller chains. The resulting semi-liquid mixture, chyme, is slowly released into the small intestine. 4. Small intestine. Nutrient absorption hub. The small intestine, a 20-foot-long coiled organ, is the primary site for nutrient absorption. It has 3 sections: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. The pancreas secretes digestive enzymes, while the liver produces bile stored in the gallbladder, aiding fat digestion. The nutrient-rich blood from the small intestine is transported to the liver for processing. 5. Large intestine. Water absorption and waste formation. The remaining undigested material passes into the large intestine, where water and electrolytes are absorbed. Beneficial gut bacteria ferment undigested carbohydrates, producing short-chain fatty acids and gases. The final product is compacted into feces and excreted through the rectum and anus. The gut is the second brain. The gut isn't just a passive tube for digestion. It has its own complex nervous system called the enteric nervous system, ENS. This system, often referred to as the second brain, comprises approximately 100 million neurons embedded in the walls of the gastrointestinal tract. The ENS functions autonomously but communicates extensively with the central nervous system, CNS, via the vagus nerve and other pathways, forming the gut-brain axis. 1. Neurotransmitters in the gut. Interestingly, the gut produces many of the same neurotransmitters as the brain, including serotonin, dopamine, and gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA. About 90% of serotonin, a key regulator of mood and well-being, is synthesized in the gut. This highlights the gut's role in emotional health. 2. The role of the microbiome. The gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as the gut microbiome. These microbes play essential roles in digestion, immune function, and even mood regulation. Dysbiosis, an imbalance in gut bacteria, has been linked to conditions like depression, anxiety, and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. 3. Immune system and the gut. Approximately 70% of the immune system resides in the gut-associated lymphoid tissue, GALT. The gut acts as a barrier, preventing harmful pathogens from entering the bloodstream while allowing nutrients and beneficial compounds to pass. The gut-brain axis. A two-way communication highway. The gut-brain axis is a bidirectional communication network between the gut and the brain, involving neural, hormonal, and immune pathways. This connection influences both physiological and psychological processes. 1. Neural pathways. The vagus nerve is the primary conduit for direct neural communication between the gut and brain. It transmits signals from the ENS to the brainstem and vice versa. For instance, gut irritation can activate the vagus nerve, sending distress signals to the brain and contributing to anxiety or discomfort. 2. Hormonal pathways. Hormones released by the gut influence brain function. For example, gut-derived serotonin affects mood and cognition, while ghrelin and leptin regulate hunger and satiety, respectively. 3. Immune pathways. Inflammation in the gut can release pro-inflammatory cytokines into the bloodstream, which may reach the brain and alter its function. Chronic inflammation has been implicated in neurodegenerative diseases and mental health disorders. The gut-brain connection in action. 1. Stress and digestion. Stress can disrupt digestion by altering gut motility and secretion. Chronic stress may lead to conditions like IBS, where the brain amplifies pain signals from the gut. Conversely, poor gut health can exacerbate stress and anxiety, creating a vicious cycle. 2. Food and mood. What we eat directly impacts the gut-brain axis. Diets rich in fiber, prebiotics, and probiotics promote a healthy microbiome, enhancing mood and cognitive function. Conversely, high sugar and high fat diets can lead to dysbiosis and inflammation, negatively affecting mental health. 3. Mental health disorders. Emerging research links gut health to conditions like depression, anxiety, and autism spectrum disorders. For instance, people with depression often exhibit altered gut microbiota composition, and probiotics have shown promise in alleviating some symptoms. Nurturing the gut-brain connection. Maintaining a healthy gut-brain connection requires a holistic approach. 1. Balanced diet. Consume a diet rich in whole foods, fiber, and fermented products like yogurt, kefir, and kimchi. These support a diverse and healthy microbiome. 2. Stress management. Practices like mindfulness, meditation, and regular exercise can reduce stress, benefiting both gut and brain health. 3. Adequate sleep. Sleep is essential for regulating the gut-brain axis. Poor sleep disrupts hormonal balance and can lead to inflammation. 4. Probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are live bacteria that support gut health, while prebiotics are fibers that feed these bacteria. Together, they enhance microbiome diversity. 5. Regular physical activity. Exercise promotes a healthy gut microbiome and improves mood by releasing endorphins and reducing stress. Conclusion. The digestive system and the gut-brain axis exemplify the interconnectedness of our body's systems. Beyond digestion, the gut influences emotions, cognition, and overall health. By understanding and nurturing this connection, we can pave the way for better physical and mental well-being, unlocking the full potential of the body's intricate design.